Hello, I'm Amarilis. In today's video, I will give you easy idea to craft for Christmas using paper doilies. To make the Christmas craft, you will need paper doilies. I will use different sizes. This one is 16 centimeters, this one 19, and this one 22 centimeters. It will work with any size of paper doilies. I give you the measure as indication. You will also need a glue stick, a twin rope, a pencil, and scissors. To make a snowflake with paper doilies, you will need 7 of them. Take the doily and fold it in the center. Open it and fold the edge through the center. Same on the other side. Then apply glue here and here. And fold. And you must have a little pocket like that. You do the same with the 6 other paper doilies. Once all the doilies are folded, you can start assemble them to make the snowflake. So apply glue here and there. And place a second doily on top. And you repeat until all the doilies are glued together. And you repeat until all the doilies are glued together. To hang the paper snowflake, cut a piece of rope, fold it in half, and glue both ends on the paper. Add a little more glue and open the snowflakes to glue it together and give it its final shape. Arrange the fold a little, and this is what the snowflakes made out of paper doilies looks like. To make the Santa ornament, you will need a medium paper doily, a red marker, a beige marker, and a black marker. You have to trace a circle on the doily and fill it red. Then use a beige marker or any color you like for the Santa head. Then use a beige marker, a brown marker, a yellow marker, whatever you like to make the Santa face. Wait for the marker to dry and fold the doily in 4 parts. Cut following the lines. Take the black marker to draw 2 eyes. Use a hole puncher to make a red circle and to make a white circle. Glue the red here to make Santa nose. Apply glue on the edge and roll it on itself to create the shape. Add the little white circle on top to finish Santa hat. This is how it looks like, and you can make 3 more Santa with the same dolly. Once you have made several Santa ornaments, you can use them as it. Just glue a rope here and you can hang it on your Christmas tree, or you can make a garland out of them, is what I will do. So I will cut a piece of rope and I will glue the Santa on them. To make a cute table decoration for a LED tea light candle, you will need 3 small dollies, a tea light LED candle, and a glass jar. You can use any container. As far as the shape, it's slightly bigger than the base of the tea light candle. You can see here, it's almost the same shape. Take the container you choose and place the first dolly on top of it. Try to center it on the container and hold it like that. Add a little glue. Take the second dolly, place it on top. Again, try to center it. So it looks like that. And repeat with the third dolly. So it looks like that. Take a piece of rope, yarn, whatever you have on hand, and you will have to wrap it around the base to hold the dolly together. And I will add a dot of hot glue so the twin rope doesn't move around. You can add a few more glue if you need. Make a knot. take the paper doilies out of the jar, shape them into a nice flower. You just separate the layers a little. And you just put the candle in it. It's super fast to do, and it will make a nice decoration for your table. To make a mini Christmas tree out of paper doilies, you will need 3 different sizes of paper doilies, a large, a medium, and a small. Take the large paper doily and fold it in the center. Then fold it again. And again. And one last time. So you have this. Press the folds and open the doily. And now you need to have a fold out and a fold in. Some of them are already in the good direction, and for the other one you need to fold them on the good direction. This is what you must have. As you can see, one fold is out and the other one is in, and you can already see that it starts to look like a little Christmas tree. And you do the same with the other 2 doilies, the small one and the medium one. Know that all 3 doilies are fold. You want to stack them on top of each other and glue them. So you have to make the fold fit into each other's. And then you separate them a little bit, and you will add a few dots of glue to hold them together. So this is how it looks like, and you do the same to put the small one on top. Again, you check that all the folds are aligned with each other's. You don't need to add glue on every fold, just enough so the Christmas tree stays together. And this is how it looks like. And if you like, you can add a Christmas light inside. It will look very cute. And you can make different sizes. I made this one with only 2 doilies, so you can create a little Christmas tree forest, and of course you can also decorate them as you want. To make this Christmas snowflake, you will need 4 paper doilies. Take the first one and fold it in accordion. Add some glue in the center. And you fold to glue them together. This is what you have. And you repeat the same with the other doilies. Once all the doilies are folded, you want to glue them to each other. So take the first one, apply glue on the edge, place the second one on top, and so on. Once the 4 pieces are glued together, cut a piece of rope, join the ends, apply some glue, place the rope here, so you will be able to hang the snowflake wherever you like. And open it and glue together. This is how it looks like, and you can make different snowflake with different doilies size. And what I like to do is glue them on top of each other, so it gives it more volume and it's more interesting. To glue both together, I will use the glue gun. And this is how it looks like. If you like these easy ideas, please like and follow for more craft inspiration.